What's up traders, welcome to live stream from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I will be doing a live analysis, live trading session. In this live stream, we'll do all the analysis as well as if we find any trading opportunity, we'll definitely discuss all together. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and also give a big thumbs up. Let's see what's happening in the market. Today is the second day of the trading week, and we have seen a couple of pairs slowly showing up some trading opportunity. And in this live session, you have an opportunity to interact with me using the live chat. So let's find out what's happening in the market, starting with some of the pairs giving us trading opportunities such as dollar yen. If you look at the intraday or 4-hour time frame, we see that after a long term bullish move, dollar yen started to come down. Probably it might come for a deeper retracement, because if you look at the bigger picture, monthly time frame, dollar yen is in a bullish move starting from this zone. What we have seen that dollar yen created this big move followed by this consolidation and upward channel on the monthly, and then created another move to the upside. So dollar yen showing a strong bullish move. Past month we have seen a very strong bullish candle followed by this month. As soon as market open after little retracement, we have seen that dollar yen now pushing high. Looking at the weekly, we see that as soon as the market open on the weekly, we saw there is a retracement, but there is a gap opening on dollar yen. You see this is the weekly close and this is the weekly opening, the price coming down. So what we could see now, a deeper retracement, and then we might see the dollar yen again going up later. But looking at the daily, the price action now we see on the daily, to me it's now on the lower time frame, it's bearish. What I think that dollar yen could come to this zone where there is a couple of dodges, and also there is a daily moving average, previous resistance here, and there is a support. May act this daily 20 period moving average as a support, and from this zone we could see the dollar yen pushing high. So for now it looks like it's bearish. Looking at the intraday or 4-hour, what we have seen that dollar yen, there was a double top here, okay, on the 4-hour, and then the price drop created this deceleration and consolidation, and we see that the price dropping again. So what I will be doing for dollar yen to create a slower retracement, probably testing this this support here on the 4-hour. You can see that there is a narrow support, probably testing this support as a resistance from this zone, and then we can consider going short on dollar yen. Now let's look at what you guys and girls are up to. That's awesome that many of you have joined this live session. Asad Malik, hey sir. Asad Kakulan, hi. Madhu, hello sir. Success Crypto FX, hello. Kanemujil, hello. Pauin, hello wizard, we miss you. No problem, Pauin. I was a bit on holiday and now I'm on full on it. So yeah, I'll be always there for you. Always I'm here. Awadesh, sir, pranam, thank you Awadesh. Adikya, hello sir. Pauin, hello wizard, miss you. No problem, Pauin. I also missed all of you. Hello coach, yesterday I joined our VIP channel. Really happy to learn your brilliant strategies. Yes, Danishakar, awesome, great to hear from you. And there are more coming up. There are some more strategies coming. That's really great. Will be Emmanuel, hello. Ken emoji, Gbpusd sir. Muhammad, welcome wizard. Muhammad, AUD and ZD please. Ibrahim, hi coach, thanks for always. Madhu, dollar yen. Jonathan, good afternoon all. AUD and ZD, I follow you since last month. I find really good content dedicated to join VIP soon. Awesome. Moise, we are eagerly waiting for you to see you here. So let's look at gold now to see what's happening. We saw a little bit of spike to the upside on gold. So what I'm thinking that gold probably this is the weekly time frame, and you see that this is the third week of the month, and I think that gold might come for little bit of retracement, but I don't think that it will go up a lot. Maybe this week we might see little bit of sideways, and let's see what happens. And after that we might see that gold might go up slowly for a retracement. Why? Because if you look at the monthly, gold already came to a very important level of support here. If you look at this price action here, what you see that this is the previous support here. You see this is the support here, and this is also a support. So gold is on a monthly support, and we might see a deeper retracement now, because the price already came well below this level of support. From here we could see that gold is retracing to the upside. Weekly the price on this level of support, and from this zone we could see that gold is going for a deeper retracement. Daily time frame, on the daily we have seen a shooting star previous day, followed by this day. As soon as the market opened, we saw a little bit of downward movement, and now the price is pushing high. So what I think that gold might do is gold might go for a deeper retracement to the upside. As you can see that there has been a breakout from this zone, but this level has not been tested. If you look at the daily time frame, what we see that this is the daily support level, this is the previous support here, okay, this is the support here, support here, support here, and what I think, there is a big market gap. The price came well below, and from here we could see that now gold might go for a deeper retracement to the upside. So with that in mind, we might see a short-term bullish move on gold. So to be sure about it, how this might happen is we need to wait a little more confirmation. We need to see a bullish price action, and then we can say that gold might go for a deeper retracement, because long-term bearish. So let's see what happens. But at this point, I'll say that a gold market is not fully suitable for trading for me. It's in a sideways, and I always try to avoid trading on a sideways market. But if I see that proper reversal pattern, then I might think of going long with gold. Now NZD CAD, so gold, let's look at USD CAD, what it is doing. Now looking at the monthly, we see that USD CAD on the monthly previous months, there is a bullish engulfer. This is a very, very strong bullish engulfer, you know, across the low, across the high, okay, and the full body is green, low at the top, bottom. So this is a bullish engulfer on the monthly. And with that in mind, after that, this month, as soon as the market opened, we have seen that USD CAD has created, as soon as the market opened, we saw a spike to the upside. So what I think, that the price already reached above and then came down. The price probably might come down for a deeper retracement on the monthly on USD CAD, and from this zone we could see that USD CAD is coming down now. Looking at the daily, what we see that the price, now this is the support on the monthly. This one also I think that might come for a deeper retracement. I don't think that the price will rise from here, so it might come for a deeper retracement, what we see on the monthly, and from this zone we could see that USD CAD is rising. So looking at the intraday or 4 hour, so here the price action is bearish, guys. You can see that there was after this consolidation, there is a fake move to the upside. We can say that this is a fake move, a big fake move, and from there we have seen that the price now are coming down. So let's see what happened by tomorrow. Probably we'll get a trading opportunity. At this point, the market is in a sideways, so the bias is to the downside. So USD looks, USD CHF, as you can see, it's a this one was a nice bearish signal on this one, USD CHF, but I missed that, I was not there. But that's a nice bearish price action. Now what I will be waiting for USD CHF. As you can see, dollar getting a little bit of weaker, so what I will be waiting for a slower retracement, and then we'll consider going short on USD CHF. So let's look at other pairs, how they are doing. AUD and ZD, Harmony, sir, BTC USD. Hello sir, no problems. Vlog Zin, hi sir, how about gold? So we already discussed gold. We'll look at it again, sir. USD CAD, please. My plan today is to sell USD CAD. Yeah, we'll look at it. Harmony, HT cards. Okay, Avinash, hello sir. Avinash, why you disappear, sir? Can you notice us when we can't leave Rio? I didn't disappear. I was just for a holiday, couple of days. I came back and I will be here. I'm here always. I'm here always. Okay, and it's my job. It's my full-time business. I'm always here. Just 2-3 days was in holiday. I missed you all the time, and I'm here now. Is it possible for euro dollar 1.0210 2 hour? Yeah, let's look at it. Mary, good evening sir. Mary, Emmanuel, euro pairs, you'll look at it. Hello sir. Sir, please look. GJ, we'll look at it. Euro dollar, are you doing a great job? Keep it up, bro. No problem, Imran, thank you. Wizard, please, at Euro CHF, we'll look at it. Hello FX Wizard, I enjoy your session, keep it up. What's its liquidity? Okay, so that's liquidity order block. How do I identify them? What is their importance? Okay, so we'll look at it. Portfolio new week. Yep, oh, no problems. Gbpusd, please. How much pips you gained last week and this week? We'll talk about all of them. So let's see some of the pairs that, such as euro dollar. Now euro dollar, I think that we might see some bullish move based on how the price action is forming. So why? Because today I posted analysis on euro dollar. You can see that this is the monthly candlestick, monthly. So what we see that euro dollar on the monthly time frame, this is a very strongly bearish market. Long time, you can see there is a double top formation and the price came down, followed by retracement, came down, followed by retracement. Now this current month, what we have seen that euro dollar has created this monthly candle which came down well below this level of support, and from this zone what we see, the bulls are now just pushing the price high. So why? Because this price is historically very low price, and I think that we might see a bigger retracement to the upside because it's a very strong, you know, a price that could could continue to rise uprise before dropping. So monthly, if we give a level of support here, what I think that euro dollar might continue to drop from here. So if we look at weekly, we see that, you see the price now action now a bit clear here on the weekly. First of all, there is a bearish engulfer. When this was formed, this is exactly I mentioned that the price could drop from here. We have seen a big drop followed by another drop. Now this week we have seen as soon as market open an up price, and I think that the price will go there, will test this previous support as a resistance, and then will continue to drop. Now daily, you can see that the price has created this price action. Today the price already reached a long a distance. So if you look at the ATR, it's a very bullish price action now, and the price already reached above the buyers. So currently the price is, you see, it's testing this daily 20 period moving average, and probably today, if it tests this previous support as a resistance, from there we could find a possible selling opportunity. Now looking at the 4 hour, this is also, you can see that it's showing still a bullish price action. So if I see that enough confirmation, then only I will consider going long. Keep in mind that this is a long-term bullish market. So euro dollar, I will be waiting for a bullish setup from this zone, and then we can think of going long with euro dollar. So let's find out how what you guys and girls are up to on this one. Let's see. So let me know in the chat area what you guys and girls are thinking, so that I know what you are up to. Sir, euro dollar analysis, please. Yeah, no, we did it. Did we lose a trade with dollar? Okay, so track. If I join for the signal, how long it takes for me to join the group? If I join the signal, how long it takes for me to join the group? Track. Yes, track. Yeah, we lose the trade on dollar yen. If I join the signal, how long it takes for me to join the group? Yeah, if you joined the, so as soon as you join, you will receive immediate signal, immediate email, and you can join immediately, no problems at all. So gold analysis, yeah, we'll look at it. Euro AUD, please. Euro JPY. So let's look at euro pairs. Let's find out what's happening. And if you look at Euro JPY, what we see that Euro JPY, I think that, you know, JPY euro looks like a bit stronger. So if you look at, this is the monthly candle, and Euro JPY long-term bullish. Now currently the price came down to this level of support, and from here we see that a bullish turn is happening. Looking at the weekly, we saw that there was a bullish move followed by another bullish move. So looking at the daily, this is where I think that the price is bullish, but we might see a little bit of retracement, and then we could see a bullish move, because Euro JPY, you know, it's a long-term bullish market. Currently, one thing we need to keep in mind, that the price is facing this resistance. You see there is a strong daily bearish engulfer. So from this zone, okay, what I think that might come for a deeper retracement, and then we could see another bullish. So short-term bullish, long-term bearish. Okay, so I think that still it looks like that Euro JPY creating a bullish price action. And GBP/JPY, if you look at the same kind of pattern, what we see that GBP/JPY, if you look at the monthly, this is the monthly candlestick, there is a big monthly doji on GBP/JPY. Okay, I think this one I have to move along. So okay, so if we look at GBP/JPY, looking at the monthly, you see this is a very strongly bullish market. GBP/JPY creating a series of higher low. Okay, and then after the monthly, we see that there is a weekly candle. Now weekly, after the previous week's bullish candle, okay, this week as soon as market open, we have seen that the bulls trying to push the price high. Now looking at daily, past day, we have seen this is a bullish candle as well. As soon as the market opened, there was a little retracement. Now the price is pushing to the upside. So looking at the intraday, okay, so this is where the things are interesting. What I will be waiting, if I see the price creating enough bullish price action, then only we can consider going long. Otherwise, we might see a little bit of sideways movement. So bias is to the upside, but I need to see that the price, you see this is the previous, if we draw a level here, what we see that this is the previous resistance here, and that is acting as support. And what I think that the price might come down to this level and then could create a bullish price action, and that's what I am waiting on GBP JPY to see a clear bullish price action. Looks like it's conditioning right now, consolidating right now. Yeah, could be. How is that AUD NZD, please? Euro pairs, you mean Euro JPY short time bearish, long time bullish? Yeah, absolutely. No, Euro JPY, let me look at. No, Euro JPY both bullish, okay? So far bullish, but what I'm thinking that because you see 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 days price on Euro JPY, it's a big move. All right, it's a really big move. Now after this kind of move, okay, this is the daily time frame, and we might see a short time retracement, okay, and that retracement you can see there is a double bottom here on Euro JPY. From this double bottom we see that the price basically came, there is a neckline of this double bottom. There is a double bottom here. Okay, the price broke above. There is a resistance of this neckline, and highly likely that the price will come to this previous resistance here, might test as a support, and then we could see that the price is going up. Now this is the daily. On the 4 hour, what I think that there is two possible scenario now is to continue the price to rise up from here, or coming for a deeper retracement, and from here we could see an uprise. So at this point from here I will not do anything. This week looks like that if you look at the weekly, this week the market is a little bit of in a sideways movement, but still there are some trades. So as you can see, what I will think to from here I will not be buying Euro JPY because the price daily time frame already overextended. We need a retracement. So with that said, on the intraday or 4 hour, this is where I will be considering going long with Euro JPY. If it comes down here, break this low of this on the 4 hour, and from this zone I will be considering going long with Euro JPY if it comes down here, or if I see that bullish price action happening from here, which is less likely, then only I will be considering longing Euro JPY. So euro dollar, Euro JPY, all doing the same way. Now AUD NZD, some of you ask for AUD NZD. Let's look at it monthly. Long term it's a bullish, okay, AUD NZD long term bullish. There is a strong bullish candle followed by all these bullish candles. AUD NZD followed by today, this month, what we have seen, the price came down to this monthly support, created a higher low, okay, and then AUD NZD now pushing high. So monthly we still you can't see the price action how it will do because it's almost on the resistance. So let's look at the lower time frame on the weekly. Now weekly, the price after the previous week's dodgy, exactly the price opened where it has you see the price open here, retrace to the upside, and from here I think that AUD NZD might just move in a sideways. Looking at the daily, this is the daily time frame, back to back every days, what we have seen that the price was creating a series of higher low, okay, higher low. So it's still a bullish market, okay. I can't say to sell, but looking at the intraday or 4 hour, what we have seen that the price now, there is a rejection from here. It doesn't mean that it will continue to drop because it's a long-term bullish. So what I think that AUD NZD will do, will drop from here to this 20 period moving average on this level of support, and from this support we could see that AUD NZD might be creating a bullish price action, because you see that AUD NZD was consolidating for a long term here, very long period of time, okay, and from this consolidation we have seen the price now in resistance. So what I think that, because there has been double bottom formation here and the price broke above, it is likely that the price will come down to this level, to this resistance here, might test as support. And if we see that bullish price action, then only we can consider that AUD NZD, we can go along with AUD NZD from this zone. So this one is with AUD NZD, Aussie dollar, like euro dollar. Looking at the weekly, what I think that AUD Aussie dollar might go up, probably will go up above. Let's see what happened. What I think that Aussie dollar, this is the weekly, after the previous week's rejection from the bottom, we have seen a strong movement is happening. So if we look at this this zone here, this is the previous support here, okay, support here, this is a resistance, acting as resistance, and from this zone, what we could see that Aussie dollar is going to test this previous support as resistance, and from here we could see that AUD Aussie dollar is dropping. Now looking at the daily, what we see that the price already back to back 3 days uprise. Today already there is a long move happen. So what I think, today we might see retracement, and then tomorrow we could see another drop, rise. So looking at the intraday, what I will be waiting now, Aussie dollar, either I think it is highly likely that it will show a bullish price action to this level at least. So if we see that Aussie dollar has giving us some bullish price action from this zone, then we can consider going long, as long as it is giving us the price action that we are looking for going long. So Aussie dollar looks like that bullish, but depending on how the price action is creating, we could see that Aussie dollar creating some bullish price action. So let me look at dollar yen, Muzmil Shahid, dollar yen please, how this Gbp USD sir, Ali Raza, dollar yen, Mehdi, please tell me about Bitcoin. We'll look at it. Can you please have your view CNH JPY? Okay, if look at Emmanuel Euro pairs, or Euro pairs is still bullish. So let me look at other Euro pairs. Euro JPY looks to me that still bullish, but we might see a deeper retracement. Euro NZD, let me look at Euro NZD. What I'm thinking that Euro NZD probably, let me look at it weekly. Okay, looks like that we might see some bullish move on Euro NZD. Including Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, so long term bullish. If you look the weekly, we have seen that there is a bullish price action. The previous weeks there is a a rejection from the bottom. This week the price started to push up. So looking at the daily, after the previous day's rejection from the bottom, we have seen that Euro GBP is now pushing high. So what I think that the best place for going long with Euro GBP is to go long from this zone, and that is what I think that Euro GBP might do. Looking at the intraday, so what I think Euro GBP will come down to this level of previous resistance here, okay, might test as support, and then we could see long. So it's a bullish market. Even if it is a doji, that could give us a bullish buying opportunity on Euro GBP. We have seen a possible and inverted head and shoulder here, and from here we could see that Euro GBP is going long, and you can see that the price creating a series of higher low, and from here we might see that Euro GBP might go long. And at this point, what I will be waiting for Euro GBP to create either a double doji here, okay, either a double doji and then going long, or what we need, that Euro GBP needs to come down to this level of previous resistance as support, and then should go long on Euro GBP. So Euro GBP looks like bullish. Euro CHF, Euro CAD. So Euro CAD also looks to me that it is going to be bullish, because there was a long-term bearish. Now there was a big move happen to the downside. This is the weekly chart, and we could expect that Euro CAD to come to this previous level of support here. If we draw this level of support, this is the support here, support here, support here. We could see that this support testing as resistance and then rejecting. So with that in mind, what I think that Euro CAD will go up, test this previous support as resistance, and then could reject. So with that said, we could see now on the lower time frame a push to the upside. Now looking at the daily, this is the daily 20 period moving average just been tested. Okay, now if we draw a possible buy zone for Euro CAD, I think that this could be a buy zone for Euro CAD. So what I think that the price will come down, okay, to this level, testing this resistance as a support, and then we could consider going long with Euro CAD. And that's the possible scenario. Or if we see, let's say, a double doji, okay, that means that we might see even a move push to the upside. In that case, we might put a narrow stop loss, and then we could go long on Euro CAD, guys and girls. Let's look at what others, what you guys and girls are up to. Update your website for your July trades. Yeah, we'll look at it. I was on holiday, so things became a bit slower. We'll do it. Louis, can you analyze the DXY, please? You'll look at it. Cheryl, what of gold? Kagura, GBP USD, sell or buy? Just 1 minute, look at BTC USD. So let's look at BTC USD. What's happening? Let's find out. Looking at the monthly, we saw that after the a big crash on BTC USD, now there is some picking up, something is a little bit of uprise, but I don't consider it as a a big buy signal, because when this kind of crash happen in the market, okay, there is a long term there is a possibility of long term sideways movement. Okay, so looking at weekly, we see that the previous week there was a doji. Okay, so there is a big move followed by this consolidation, but weekly we have seen a potential inverted head and shoulder. You can see that this is the left shoulder, right shoulder, and we see a potential head and shoulder, and from here we could see potential rise, but I think that it might go up to this level. This is the previous level here. You can see that this is the previous support here, support here, support here. So you might see short term a little bit of a movement to the upside. Looking at daily, now daily price action, how it is doing, basically it was consolidating like that, consolidating and then creating a series of higher low. So from this zone, based on how the price action is doing, what I think that we might see something like that, something like a little bit of movement to the upside. But if you look at the weekly, there is a possible inverted head and shoulder, but it may not just move like that. Okay, how it, I think that it will do is, if you look at this daily, you see the price is creating a series of higher lows, so it might follow this channel. Let me draw this channel. Okay, might follow this channel here. This is the channel on the daily time frame, and yeah, so what I think that BTC-USD will do like this, will come down to this level of support, will go resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. That's how it might go. At some point we might see that it's testing this zone, this support as resistance. So for buying opportunity, I think that we need to wait for the price to come to this level of support, and from here we could see that BTC-USD is for buying. So Ethereum the same way. Okay, same way, the price is now going long. It's possible longing opportunity on Ethereum. So sir, Emmanuel, what was your conclusion on Euro NZD? So let me look at Euro NZD. What I think that Euro NZD, let me look at weekly, monthly. Okay, so long term Euro NZD is bearish. Okay, monthly, looking at the monthly, now this is the 10 days remaining. This candle looks like that Euro NZD is creating a bearish engulfer in this zone, so that's a bearish price action. Looking at the weekly, we have seen that the price has created a possible like head and shoulder. So looking at the daily, okay, so the daily, you see the price, first there was a big drop followed by this retracement, and what I think that the price at some point today or tomorrow might test this daily 20 period moving average, and from here we could see that Euro NZD is again dropping. So with that in mind, my conclusion is Euro NZD could rise up to this level, and this is the zone where we can consider selling Euro NZD from this zone to the downside with a high risk to reward ratio. So this is one with Euro NZD, and I think this is gonna be a bearish price action. So GBP USD, Euro NZD, GBP JPY. So I think I have to come here, which I never want to do, but I need. Okay, so let me look at, please sir, your USDT account detail. Yes, you can contact using the live chat for USDT account. Sunday here a better place we can do this. Okay, so Sunday was in holiday, so we'll talk about it, no problem. Mehdi, thank you, no problem. Mehdi, Kamoji, GBP USD. So let's look at GBP USD, how it is doing. Now GBP USD, like other pairs, looking at the monthly, okay, this is a long-term bearish market on GBP USD. This is extremely bearish market, and we see that there was a head and shoulder on the monthly, and then there was a big drop, okay, on GBP USD. After this big drop, if you look at the weekly, this week we saw that there is a movement happen to the upside. So what I think, it might go for a little bit of uprise, and then we could see that GBP USD is dropping. Now daily, the price testing now daily 20 period moving average. What I think that it might cross and probably will go to this dodgy zone, okay, and from this zone, okay, from this zone, I think that from this zone we could see a potential drop. But at this point, because it's a long-term bearish market, I would consider going short. So what I will do is I will be waiting to see how this price action is going, reacting to this zone. So then if I see proper from this zone a rejection, then only I will consider shorting GBPUSD. At this point, this is a long-term bearish market. I will not be considering going long with GBPUSD. That's the main thing that I have to consider, because this is a long-term bearish market. Always looking for a bearish setup is always a good idea. So okay, so let's look at what else we can find here. NZD USD. So all these USD pairs, what I think that it might go for a deeper retracement to the upside and then will drop again, because dollar is always bullish currently. So let's look at NZD USD on the weekly as well. What I think that the price will go up, probably to this zone where there is a doji. Okay, only to this zone, and from this zone, what I think that NZD USD, from this zone there is a doji here. The price will go and then will reject to the downside. So with that in mind, if we look at the daily, you see that daily time frame, the price after the previous day's shooting star, we have seen that there is a liquidity grab and then the price pushed to the upside. And what I think that the price will go up further. This is what happened normally, and then from this zone we could see potential drop. So I'll be waiting for a bearish setup this week. As you can see, most of the time the market a little bit in a sideways movement. So that's why this week a little bit of less trading opportunity that happens. Sometimes you need to be a little bit of patient for finding the better trading opportunity. So as soon as because this price, you can see NZD USD, GBPUSD, Euro dollar already broke this trend line. Okay, there is a chance that at any point it will reverse, and that will be a big move really. And that's what I normally wait. When the trend line is broken, the price creates a pattern. That is where I normally trade for the bigger move. Okay guys, so yeah, for today I will not be extending. Let's look at the news calendar, to see what's happening tonight and tomorrow, and then we'll be seeing. If we look at the calendar, this is where it is. You can see that the price Wednesday on 20th, that means today 1 AM Sydney time, there is a British pound US dollar news release. Tomorrow there is Aussie dollar, and also tomorrow GBP news release, CAD news release. So tomorrow the market will be really volatile. That's why the price looking like that, moving in a little bit in a sideways. So GBP pairs, okay, and GBP pairs and AUD pairs are extremely volatile. Okay, so let's see what happened. What I think that after the news release, then we could find tomorrow a really good trading opportunity, and after today a news release, as well as after tomorrow news release. So tomorrow there will be good trades, and if you want to join our channel, you can find a link in the description. Today if I find good trade, I will send it to the VIP students. If I can't, then probably we need to wait for tomorrow to see the better trading opportunity. Because I normally don't like to trade against the trend. That's always the best idea, not to trade against the trend. So with that in mind, guys, I'll wrap it up for today. The trade that I see is, you see, gold is showing some kind of retracement. So gold, there is only one thing we can say, it's a gold 1 hour and 40 minutes is still remaining. So what we have seen, that gold is creating kind of head and shoulder. It's not still close, but if it close this way, we might see a little bit of movement to the downside again. But as I can mention that until this news coming up, I might not find a good trade. Until I find a good trade, I will not be trading. So that's what it is. You have to be patient. When sometimes the market may not give you a good trade, and you have to be patient on this one. So dollar yen, we might see after retest, we could see another drop. So the dollar could see a little bit of drop today, and then once I will see that this market is reverting, because long term, let's say NZD USD long term bearish, I want to see that bearish move started to happen, then I will be selling NZD USD. I always bullish with dollar, so the price is moving to the upside, retracing. I will be waiting for a proper price action confirmation, including euro dollar. So this is it, guys. Today I'm gonna wrap, and tomorrow there is a big day. There is a lot of news release, there's a lot of things happening, so make sure you give big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel so that we can trade together tomorrow. If you want to join my channel, there's a link in the description, and that's it. There's a lot of things coming up. Make sure you stay tuned around, and with that being said, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next live stream.